1939 to 1945 is simply a question of which Navy will wise up and stop investing in battleships and divert that investment to aircraft carriers, submarines, destroyers that can attack merchant ships far more efficiently, or they can destroy other battleships in the case of carriers with air power. And the answer was that Italy and Germany lost that war. They did not build an aircraft carrier, as I said, but their effort to build U-boats, as successful in the case of Germany it was too little or too late.